Why do you yawn, even though you're not sleepy? When you feel bored or tired, your breathing slows, so your body forces a big yawn. And here is the crazy part. Yawning is contagious.
Yes, yawning is highly contagious. Seeing, hearing, or even thinking about someone else yawning can trigger a yawn in response.
Did you just yawn right now? See, I told you. Your body has its own funny ways to stay active. Follow for more.